What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I've just finished grinding the Patrikios knife, and this is the moment when the hand sanding is starting. I hate hand sanding. Probably most of bladesmiths hate hand sanding, and make it a little bit easier is something that probably most of us desperately looking for. And I thought that I will do some extra episode where I will show you how to make some really simple but very useful tool which support hand sanding and make it a little bit easier. So let's start. Okay, so what you need is a small piece of angle bar, small piece of flat bar with two holes, two screws, two butterfly nuts, and some rod, but it doesn't have to be rod, it can be a bar or just longer piece of this angle bar. And something for the handle. In my case, it will be just a simple round wooden bar. tool, very easy to make, very comfortable because you have a really strong grip. You don't have to hold the sandpaper, and I think it speed up the hand sanding process a lot, so it is really worth to make it. Anyway, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we see you in the next episode. Bye bye.